Climate change gives us a powerful reason to invest in nature. Now, we must all stand together to protect our world.
I'm very proud of what we've done to protect nature. We've been heavily involved in moving forward a wonderful vision to conserve and protect 30% of all the land and all the sea by 2030. And if you protect nature, you address climate change.
Climate and nature are two sides of the same coin. We can't solve the climate problem without looking after nature. And we can't conserve nature without solving the climate problem.
We have to transform the systems that drive our economy.
You can build a high quality of life for your people while also protecting the environment.
It's about trying to build a stronger, more equitable, more effective environmental movement.
When people talk about time frame and climate change, the reality is we're already late. That's why we have to attack every part of this problem.
What we do in the next decade determines whether we live in a radically different world or we create a more sustainable future. Change needs to come from individuals, governments, industries, everywhere. And we all have to work together to get this done.